Dear friends, just wanted to introduce this term that was coined by Zen master Thich Nhat. This term is interbeing, and it's just the realization that we are all connected to each other. But it's not just we are connected, but we all are interdependent. We all exist because we all exist individually because the other person exists, or one phenomenon exists because of the other. So it conveys the notion that all things exist in a state of interconnected being, a state of being interwoven and mutually dependent. And here's a little excerpt from his book. It says, "If you're a poet, you'll see clearly that there is a cloud floating in the sheet of paper. Without a cloud, there will be no rain. Without rain, the trees cannot grow. And without trees, we cannot make paper. The cloud is essential for the paper to exist. If the cloud is not here, the sheet of paper cannot be here either. So we can say that the cloud and the paper inter-are." And he goes on to say that when you look at a piece of paper, you can see the cloud, you can see the sun, you can see the people who working at the sawmill. So you can see how it's just the realization that not only are we connected in many ways, we are all connected to each other, but we also exist because all the other phenomena around us exist. And if one of them stop existing, there is an imbalance in the whole system. And that is an important aspect to meditate upon, to realize that when you drink a cup of tea, what you are looking at is the rain, the sun, the people who made the tea leaves, the people who picked the tea leaves, the people who packed all the tea bags into a box, the people who drove all those boxes from one location to another. So let us get comfortable and take a moment to notice what interbeing means to you. How every aspect of your life there is mutual dependency between everything that we do. The house we live in, the car we drive, the clothes we wear, the food we eat. So I invite you to get comfortable and allow your spine to be straight, allow your body to soften, and just bring to mind this concept of interbeing. Inter means mutual, so it's mutual being. What does this concept mean to you, and what kind of feelings are evoked as you talk about or as you think about this concept? It's a feeling of connection, a realization that we are not separate entities, a realization that you are as important as everyone else. And each and every person in this planet is important. Nature is important. Trees and rivers, the planets, the sun. Now listen to any sounds you can hear around you. And notice what you can taste or smell. Notice the sense of touch and pay attention to what you can see behind closed eyes. If your eyes are open, just look around. Our five senses connect us with the whole world and helps us interact with our surroundings. Interbeing also reminds us this old African proverb which says, I am because you are. Everything around us matters. You matter. Now take a deep breath in and breathe out. And then slowly start to wiggle your fingers and toes. And open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you for being who you are. Thank you for your presence. May you be happy, may you be healthy, and may you live with ease. Take care, friends.